and because I lost some of the trail, I've been overtaken by the Grandmaster here. Taking a short video today. Yes, go ahead. There's Michael, one of our athletic members.
When I was at Big Sister yesterday, he said it makes a change setting a trail with someone who's using common sense, not a GPS.
Right, here we go. Onwards and upwards up this nice narrow gully, and I can hear people behind. Come on, you old bastards. You're on candid camera. Who's behind you?
Kurt.
Oh, there we go, Kurt. I'll put the wide angle lens on. Come on, everybody.
Oh yeah, awesome. Howard was smart, he turned around.
There we go. Do you have the flag? Oh, you wee doggy. Come on, boys and girls and dogs.
Go. Let's go.
Straight on that way. A little flat for a while, thank goodness. Nice flat bit here, and the little doggy's frightened of the carabao, so he's getting a ride around. Most of the carabao are docile, but you get the odd one which can be mean and chase you, especially if there's a young one around you. Come on, girls. Come on, let me see you starting to sweat. Come on, Nancy boy. Let me see you jump on that bull.
You're waiting for the kick, aren't you?
We're going through this long grass for about 200 yards. I'm getting a little bit sick of it. Hopefully we'll come into a clearing soon. There you go, lads. You'll be famous.
You walk right into a carabao, you won't even know. Sorry.
Hey, Howard.
How do you like this long grass?
I love it.
And blow me down, we're out in the valley with Mount Araya in the background, and looking at the bushes down there, I think there's a very steep trail down the bottom of this valley, and that's where we're going. Okay, I've come to the start of the steep downhill, and to the left and right of me, with a 3-foot wide path, there's an almost vertical drop, hundreds of feet. Are you having fun?
No. Oh, okay. Is this the one?
It has to go down there, yeah. Jump, you can do it, do one, yeah. Carry on.
So I'm ready to catch, right?
Somebody at the bottom. Come on, everybody. And this is the really nice part. This near vertical slope, which I nearly fell down, and
It's quite flat.
got slightly bruised.
Like 1.5 meters and
You're
you can
good.
stop there. Just go nice and slow. Or sit up, go on your butt and slow down and just slide down.
Is there no other way? Like,
Yeah, there is actually. You can go straight down the end, but there's a bit of a crazy dog at the end of it. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Well, the trail is to my left as I stand here, but I'm going to head right to the right, go back to the bucket and have a beer. This is not a great idea, this trail. So the hidden valley will have to wait for another day for me.
I'm just gonna help you here.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. Go more. Movie stars.
Where the fuck are we, Luke? Where have you taken us, mate? Where have you taken us?
Oh, tour. Lovely tour.
And we're on the flat bit. The last bit to home, about 500 metres. So how are you feeling?
Feeling pretty good.
Even better when you get a beer, huh? See you back there. Save the beer for me. That's not mine. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, you're right. Drop me bloody hat. There you go.
Take it.
All right, hold on, mate.
Hold on.
And here we are, back at the start or the end. Boy, am I glad to see this. And I didn't even do half the trail. Still a lot of people out there. There's my trusty truck. Oh, and there's a circle over there.
A little bit like a wasp thing. But only it doesn't take so long. You know them. They're like that.
Yeah, I know.
You know over 70 who got this one in the circle.
Yeah, who made it to the end of the canyon today?
Everybody over. Where's Morphine? He left already?
Over 70?
Everybody over 70. Can you believe?
I'm selling.
Morphine.
I'm selling
Morphine and
ribbon.
Morphine and support made that. Okay, Morphine is gone. So everybody over 110 kilo made it in the circle. You can sit down already.
I'm displaying me
Don't be shy.
with pride. I
You're
made
not
it,
like
see?
109.
I made it over the big fucking rock.
This one, 100 kilo.
So
Get on
everybody,
there, someone don't be shy.
everybody
Which one?
over
This
100.
one? The two guys
Everybody
there.
over 100 kilo who made it.
I was waiting for this.
Didn't make it. I didn't say everybody over 140.
I said 100.